For the first time, flying may seem overwhelming, from check-ins to packing your luggage properly, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some expert tips for first-time flyers to make you feel confident and well prepared for your first flight. Before we continue this video, please do to like, comment, subscribe on this channel, and ensure to watch this video right up to the end. The first tip is to pack ahead of time. Packing your items or what you need days or months before you travel will save you a great amount of stress. Also consider creating a list and planning outfit by the day, and also you can start measuring in your suitcase the personal items you would like to fit in to see if they fit in before the actual day of travel. The second tip is to bring backup entertainment. Most airline offers onboard entertainment that are mostly found on the seatback screens. But then, not all may have such. So it's good that before you travel or before you book for a particular airline, check their amenities online, and just to be on the safe side, you can bring along a book or your tablet to keep yourself entertained in the course of the long flight you have. Tip number 3 is to get to the airport early. It is generally recommended that for international flight, you get to the airport 3 hours earlier, and for domestic flights, you can get to the airport 2 hours earlier. So this time may seem like it's a lot of time, but it's not. This time will give you ample time and ample space to check in, to check your various boards, and to even get a snack that you can snack on while waiting to board on the plane. Tip number 4 is to wear comfortable clothes. Once you're on a plane, you'll be sitting in a particular position for a long amount of time. So you wouldn't want to make that experience an uncomfortable or an unpleasant one. It's mostly recommended for first-time flyers to wear sweatshirts, sweatpants, leggings, or sneakers, something that will make you feel relaxed in the course of your travel. The fifth and the final point is for you to be very flexible and patient. Despite careful planning, disruptions or delays may occur, such as a missed connection, a flight delay, or even a lost luggage. But in all of this, it's important for you to maintain a positive attitude, maintain your peace and your composure, and be very flexible. And this is going to help you to overcome any challenges that may come your way. Being able to step out of your comfort zone and experience a new place is one of the best experiences in the world. We hope that this video has helped you in your travel journey. But before you go, please remember to subscribe, to comment, to share, and to like this video. Now, go on and have a safe trip.